Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. Today topic is chi-square test. So mathematically we will denote this by chi-square test. Here OI is the observed frequency where I is from 1, 2, 3 etc. n. EI is the expected frequency where I is from 1, 2, 3 etc. n. Now for most of the problem we are going to find out EI to be found. What is the formula for chi-square test? Is summation over I OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. So within the summation you will write the formula. Okay, next is degree of freedom, which is n minus 1, and alpha is 5% level of significance. So we have to compare the answer, compare calculated chi-square and table value of chi-square at n minus 1 degree of freedom with 5%. So we can come to the conclusion, if calculated value chi-square is greater than table value, we will say H0 is rejected. So how to find H0 is from the problem. So by reading the problem itself we can say the H0. Similarly, if chi-square is less than chi-square of table value, that means what? N minus 1 degrees of freedom for 5% level of significance. We say that H0 is accepted at 5% level of significance. So knowing all this in your mind, we can do one problem. Yeah, this is the problem. The following table shows the distribution of digits in numbers. So what is this? This is the digits. It is in numbers up to 9 number. Chosen at random. It is chosen at random from a telephone directory. So calculate this test. Calculate whether the digits may be taken to occur equally frequently in the directory. So all of you should note this point. Equally frequently. So we have to apply chi-square test. Or else one more clue is there, uniformly distributed. So these are the basic logic to find the chi-square test. Even though it is not given to calculate the chi-square test, this is a basic knowledge to learn how chi-square test can be applied. So based on this solution, how will we do the solution? So always the first solution is always you have to take null hypothesis. So null hypothesis is what? H0. So the problem is based on digits, and also the question is given that digits may be taken to occur equally frequently in the directory. So the same thing you can write in this null hypothesis, that digits may occur equally frequently in the directory. So obviously, once if we wrote H0, we have to write alternate hypothesis, which is H1. So here the digits may occur equally frequently. Now we should write the digits does not occur equally frequently in the directory. Now, the next one is level of significance. So, we have to make it fixed level of significance, which is alpha 5%, which is 0.05. So, as we have to calculate from the table value, so degree of freedom is n minus 1. So, now if you see here, we are having 10 digits. So, we are going to calculate the value for 10 digits, which is 10 minus 1, which is 9. So, chi-square 0.05 at 9 degrees of freedom is 16.99. Now, after knowing this, we have to calculate chi-square. So, the formula is, we should know summation over I, OI minus EI, the whole square by EI. So, what is EI? EI is the expected frequency. EI is the expected frequency. So, now if you look at here, now you add all these numbers. All these numbers you add up, you get the total as 10,000. Out of this, how many digits are there? 10 digits are there. So we will calculate the expected frequency for 10 digits, which is 1000. So EI is 1000 for all these digits from the telephone directory. So now let us calculate how this OI, EI can be done. So the calculation is like this. If you look at here, you will have digits, you will have observed frequency in the problem, expected frequency just now we have calculated. So one by one you have to subtract, square, divide by EI. We will get all those 10 digits value. Now, line by line you calculate one by term, and when you add all the term you will get it as 2, 4, 5, 58.542. So, the calculated chi-square is 58.542 and the table value is 0.05 at 9 degrees of freedom is 16.99. Now you can easily look at here which one is greater. So chi-square is greater than chi-square 0.05 when you are comparing. So we come to the conclusion that it is greater. So H0 is rejected. So already we have taken, it is digits occur equally frequently, but we got it is greater. So conclusion is that digits does not occur equally frequently in the direct. So this is the solution for the problem. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.